Hello everyone, my name is Tagir Suleimanov and this is my Beta Career video report for weeks 3 and 4. In this stage I started the practical development of my AI-driven avatar in Unity. So let's start. As a foundation I used the GitHub repository, AI Iris avatar. I installed Ollama, which allows me to run local LLMs for text generation. Then I began working with Unity as a main client. The general architecture I built looks like this. The user provides input in text or voice. The LLM running on Ollama generates a response. The response is converted into speech using XTTS from QQTTS. Finally, Unity displays the result through character animation, lip sync, and visual effects. During these 2 weeks, I successfully connected the full pipeline, LLM to TTS and then to Unity. I learned how to send requests to Ollama, process responses, and stream them into audio. I also discovered challenges with synchronization. Normally, the LLM generates the full text before TTS starts, which causes a long delay, sometimes up to 40 or 50 seconds. To solve this, I explored streaming approaches where the model sends responses in chunks. This allowed XTTS to generate voice while the text is still being produced, which makes the interaction feel much more natural. I also implemented additional features, cleaning emotional tokens like smiles or blushes from the text before TTS, while still using them to trigger animation in Unity. The second one is automatic language detection with lang detect, so the TTS engine picks the correct localization.
Я здесь, с тобой.
Finally, I built a WebSocket-based communication system between the AI server and Unity, using event signals such as on query, on text response, on TTS response, and on play VFX. Another important finding was the performance difference between CPU and GPU. On CPU, one sentence could take up to 30 or 50 seconds, while on GPU it only takes a few seconds. In summary, during weeks 3 and 4, I set up the full AI avatar pipeline, from LLM responses with Ollama to speech synthesis with XTTS to Unity visualization. I also learned how to solve synchronization problems with streaming and implement GPU acceleration optimization, emotional triggers, and WebSocket communication. In the next 2 weeks, I'll focus on building the 3D avatar model, rigging it, and connecting it directly to AI responses in Unity. That's all for today, thanks for watching, wish you all the best, goodbye!